In this video, you'll learn how to set up payment automations in Guesty, ensuring hassle-free payment collection for your properties. Payment automations offer true payment customization based on the specific conditions of each reservation, ensuring tailored payment strategies that align with your business needs. First, go to Automations and select Payments. Click on Add Payment Automation and choose from 4 of Guesty's best practice templates for different reservation types. These templates can be customized by setting reservation conditions, such as properties and booking channels. You can edit the payment automation for each step of the reservation process according to your needs. When you're done, click Save and Activate. Name your automation, review conditions, and choose whether to apply it to existing or future reservations only. Alternatively, you can create a custom automation and set specific reservation conditions and payment options. Click Add Payment Automation and then Create Custom Automation. To trigger the automation for specific listings, you can set conditions based on the property and the booking channel. For manual reservations, including direct bookings from the Guesty platform, your booking engine websites, or via the booking engine API, you can also customize conditions based on advance notice and length of stay. Suppose, for example, that this condition will only apply to reservations coming from a certain property on booking.com. Next, configure your payment automation. Payment automations in Guesty are structured around 3 key timeframes: booking confirmation, check-in, and checkout. When you click Add Payment, you have 2 main choices. First, collect payment. This option charges the guest at the moment you decide to collect the payment and can be set either by percentage or amount. Using this example, 50% of the reservation payout will be collected in the booking confirmation. Second, hold payment. This places an authorization hold. It's a temporary hold on a portion of the guest's funds to ensure there's enough for the reservation. Authorization holds offer flexibility. You can hold and release funds or choose to charge them at a later point in the reservation cycle. You can, for example, set a confirmation to hold 50% of the total payout and charge it after 7 days. The Collect Remaining Balance feature is included in every automation, and it is highly recommended that you keep it enabled so that all charges can be collected during the guest's stay. When you're done, click Save and Activate. Give the automation a name and review its conditions. Next, click the Add Payment Automation button. Choose if you wish to apply the automation to existing reservations or apply to future reservations only. All set. You can now filter, view, and manage your payments seamlessly, making it easier and more efficient to manage your property. If you want to learn more, feel free to continue browsing our Help Center. Thanks for watching.